Hello everyone, good day. I am going to discuss about the requirement management. But before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Bausin from BS IT 3A. So for the content of this discussion, we will be covering the introduction, the product cycle of RM, and the subtopics of RM. Requirement management. So it is the process of identifying, documenting, analyzing, prioritizing, and controlling the requirements of a project or a product. Requirements are the needs and expectations of the stakeholders such as customers, users, managers, developers, testers, and regulators. Requirement management helps to ensure that the project or the product meets the stakeholder needs and delivers value. So now, let's move forward to this diagram of requirement management. The first one to mention here is the gather. So what does it mean? So it is to collect all the information you can about what people want or need from the project. So the second one is the structure. So it is to organize the gathering information into a clear and organized format. The third one is communicate. So communicate is to share the structured requirements with everyone involved in the project. So the fourth one is the analysis. So analysis means is to examine and study the requirements to ensure they make sense and are achievable. So the fifth one is linked to BIM or Building Information Modeling. So it means to connect the requirements to the broader project model. So the next one is verify. So it means to confirm that the implemented solution matches the specified requirements. So the next one is change. So it means manage any alteration or updates to the requirements. So lastly is the evaluate. So it means assess how well the project is meeting the requirements and objectives. So this cycle repeats and evolves as the project progresses. So it is a continuous loop with each step influencing the others. So me as a student, think of it as a roadmap that helps to ensure everyone is on the same page. The project stays on track and adjustments are made when needed to achieve success. So now, the subtopics introduction will be introduced by my colleague.
Subtopics of requirement management. The first subtopic is the requirements management plan. It defines the roles and responsibilities of the stakeholders, the tools and methods for eliciting, documenting, analyzing, validating, and tracing requirements, the criteria and process for prioritizing and approving requirements, and the mechanism for managing changes and resolving conflicts in requirements. The next is stakeholder roles and responsibilities. These are the tasks and duties of the people who are involved in or affected by the project or product. Some of the common stakeholder roles are project sponsor, manager, analyst, owner, product manager, developer, tester, and end user. Next is requirement management process. Typical requirements management process consists of the following phases: elicitation, analysis, specification, validation, prioritization, approval, traceability, change management, and verification. Next is the requirement types. Some of the common types of requirements are business requirements, user, functional, non-functional, quality, performance requirements, security, usability, and design requirements. Next is the requirements artifacts. Some of the common requirements artifacts are document, user stories, use cases, scenarios, user interface, data models, flowcharts, state diagrams, and test cases. Next is the requirements attributes. Some of the common requirements attributes are identifier, name, description, source, owner, priority, status, version, rationale, acceptance criteria, and dependencies. Requirement management is a crucial discipline that ensures project success by systematically gathering, documenting, and validating stakeholder needs and expectations. A well-defined requirements management plan, clear stakeholder roles, and a structured requirement management process provide the foundation for effective communication and collaboration. Continuous adaptation and learning from the requirements management process contribute to enhanced project outcomes and stakeholder satisfaction.